everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my Partners in Cream update for you. This is year 3 or 4. This might be the 4th year. I don't remember. It's the 3rd or the 4th year. It's been around and it was created by Stefan DeLynn, and it is all about using up your non-powder makeup products because they go bad faster. Of course they do. They dry out. They, can harbor bacteria. Ew. And they just generally expire quicker. So that is what this project is all about. I am using this as my play, and well, actually this whole year is for playing, but I'm definitely playing in this one too. I'm like testing new things out and just having a good time this year. I think it was 3 to 6 products. I think, don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it is. All the stuff is going to be down there. Dates are January 10 to December 10, and I'm pretty daggone sure it's going to be back next year. It's very popular. So, yeah, I think I started with 5 things. I think I've been keeping it at 5, yes. Had to count what I had right here in front of me. And I actually have 2 things rolling out, and I have 2 things rolling in, so I'm very excited about that. So let me show you what is rolling out. Both of these were in for the intro, and happy to be rolling them out. Not that I don't love them, but I just, I want to play some more. So the first thing that I have is from the Profusion Eye Palette that I depotted years ago. This is just a purple gel liner, and my goal was just to hit pan. It was almost too easy because I have like one of those angled liner brushes, and this is like a very, very thin pan. I hit it very quickly. So that is going to be rolling out, and I'll be playing with something else soon. And the other one also, I'm kind of sad to see this one roll out. This is the Bobbi Brown face base. It is officially the vitamin rich face base, and I love it. It's like a moisturizing primer. It's all in one. My goal was to hit pan, and I did. Goodness, I love the smell of this stuff. I like this. I have friends that have used this that have extremely dry skin. They love it. I have oily skin. I love it. I like it. I like it a whole lot. And I've used other moisturizing primers like the Smashbox Primerizer. Did not like that one at all. There was another one I used. I can't remember what it was, and I didn't like that one. So I'm actually very surprised that I like this one. It's just formulated so, so lovely. So those are my 2 rollouts, and at the end I will be showing you what I'm rolling in. I have to show you what is continuing on that I have not hit my goals on yet, and we'll see how this one goes. First one I'm actually making really good progress on. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I had a blue line, well I still have a blue line on here, and I want to use it up to the point where that gets sharpened off. As you can see, it definitely needs to be sharpened again, but I can use it a few more times before I need to use it again. I primarily just like dot it on like under my eyebrows right here, and then I blend it out, and then I will set that with like a matte cream just so that I can blend my eyeshadows better. And I use something, usually I use something different on my lids. Sometimes I will use this on my lids, but not all the time. So I'm still going to be working on this. I don't think it's going to be done by the next update, but I'm definitely making good progress on it. And I'm happy to keep that in and use it. This is going to take me forever to get this pencil done because I use so very little at one time. Yeah, it's going to take a long time. Next one, I swear is going to take forever. This is the Essence Fix and Last 18-Hour Makeup Fixing Spray, aka setting spray. I really don't use it. I primarily use it to foil my eyeshadows, which I don't do frequently because I'm always in a rush. I swear I'm always in a rush. So, yeah. It's not even a ton in there. I would say there's probably maybe a 1/4 to a 1/3 left in there. I'm not using it. I need to use it. I need to use it. And then the last one that is continuing on is the Essence. This is the Camouflage Matte Concealer. My goal is to use this 20 times. So far I've only used it 5 because I was using a foundation from another project, that I just didn't need a concealer under my eyes, and that's what this one is. Definitely, like, it's light, it goes under my eyes. I just didn't need it, and you know how that goes. So this is going to stay in for 15 more uses, and I have switched my foundation that I've been using lately, so hopefully I will get a little bit more use out of that. So 2 rolling out, 3 staying in, which means I'm going to be rolling in 2 more products. So to replace the Profusion gel liner in purple, I'm going to be bringing in the blue version of that. I'm sure it's not going to take much to get this used up, or not used up, but to hit pan on it, since that is the goal. Though, you know, I don't wear blue all that often, so, you know, maybe this will encourage me to wear the blue that's in my Pan That palette this year. Because, like, I'm using it, but I'm not using it as much as I should be using it. So that one is rolling in, and I'm also rolling in a lip product. I've just been craving something different from what I have in lately. I do actually have this on my lips over other stuff. This is the Buxom, let me tell you what the official name is, Powerful, with 2 L's, Plump Lip Balm, and it is in the shade Flushed. It looks scarier in the tube than it does on the lip. This one isn't as crazy pigmented as the red that I have used in the past. So yeah, I want to get 30 uses on this. I know that seems like a lot, but I think it's going to be an easier color for me to use than the red, and I'm really thinking I'm going to enjoy that one. So 30 uses for that, and hit pan on the navy blue gel liner. That is my update. There's going to be, I believe, a playlist or spreadsheet or something down there. I'm pretty sure there is. Don't quote me on it, but I think there might be. If there is, if it exists, it's going to be down there in the description. And I believe this is open to anyone that wants to join in. So if you have some cream products or liquid products that you want to get used up, have at it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.